Well, good morning. You can see I'm not in my front room for this storytelling session. I'm down at the seaside. So guess which story we're going to do? That's it. You've got it. A day at the seaside. Are we ready? It was a lovely sunny day. So Mum and Dad took Ruth and Ivan off to the seaside. They strolled along the pier. They strolled along the pier. They strolled along the pier. They went down on to the Pebble Beach. They went down on to the Pebble Beach. Doesn't the sea look beautiful? Said Mum. Doesn't the sea look beautiful? Said Mum. Oh look, said Ivan, look over here. Look how many shells I found. And even a starfish. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. And even a starfish. I can see a rock wall. And look, there's a sea urchin. And it's starting to move. And it's starting to move. Look how many fish I've caught in my net. 1, 2, 3 very shiny fish, said Ruth. 1, 2, 3 shiny fish. Well, after all that fishing, said Mum, I think we deserve an ice cream. Have a smell. I think we deserve an ice cream. But just as Ivan was about to take a bite, a huge seagull came down and swiped his ice cream. A huge seagull came down and swiped his ice cream. Oh no, said Dad, I'd get you another, but the queue is so long. Stretch out your arms. But don't worry, it's time to go home, and I've got some sweets in the car that you can share. I've got some sweets in the car that you can share. But by the time they got home, they'd eaten so many that their tummies were aching. Their tummies were aching. Excellent, guys. So that's a day at the seaside. And I've come down to the seaside to tell you that story. So you take good care. See you later.